back with another video, and today I wish I had some better news for you guys, but I'm about to be carless and jeepless for the next couple of days, and I'll tell you guys why. But one of these reasons has to do with this recall right here. On my way to Witten Brothers off of Midlothian Turnpike. They are taking my Jeep in for this recall. Made sure I had the paper with me, but this is an important safety recall that has to deal with my passenger airbag. It says it may contain propellant that degraded after prolonged exposure to high absolute humidity, high temperatures, and high temperature cycling. Basically, an inflator explosion may cause metal fragments to pass through the airbag into the vehicle interior at high speed, which may result in injury or death to vehicle occupants. So, I don't like any of that. So we're going to take that in for its recall. And while it's there, I certainly hope it only takes a day. But while it's there, I'm going to see if they can address why my clutch is being this way. As I've stated before, the clutch in this Jeep is pretty stiff. I want to make sure that there's nothing wrong with it. So I just want to make sure, like, if this normal clutch pushback, I would say, or is this something that needs to be fixed or updated? The Jeep only has 82,000 miles on it. I say only, which, you know, it's in all honesty, for 2011, that's not that bad. So I want to make sure that this clutch pedal feel is normal. So that's what I'm also going to get them to check when they take the Jeep in. And hopefully it's nothing serious. Fingers crossed, but you know, I won't know until I know. So I guess they're just going to replace the airbag itself, check the clutch pedal, and then I'll be on my way. Now, the reason I do not have my Camaro, recently I purchased a modification that I wanted to install on the car, and the person that is going to help me install it, they noticed that, sorry, bumpy right here. Ugh, gotta love Richmond streets, right? The person that was going to work on my car, who's a good friend of mine, one of the members in C3, he noticed that my oil pan towards the bottom seemed to be a little wet. So he said that I may have a leak in my oil pan or in my oil pan gasket. So he said that's something that I should get looked at before he does any of this work to the car. So I was like, okay, that's fine, I can do that, no issues. I was hoping it was nothing serious, and I took the Camaro into Royal Chevrolet, which is where I bought it from. It's the dealership that I've done plenty of reviews with. They're great people, and they took a look at it for me, and they said, so it turns out to be your oil cooler that's causing the leak. So I was like, okay, and he quoted me about $1,000 for the repair, including parts, labor, all of that. So I was like, what? So after my mini heart attack, I said, well, what about my extended warranty? And I'm so thankful that I got an extended warranty on the Camaro, because when I bought it, it only had 19,000 miles. I got the extended warranty, and that should cover me for an extra 50,000 miles and an extra 5 years. So thankfully, he calls me back after he checks with my extended warranty, and they do cover the repair. So all I have to do is pay a $100 deductible, and I don't have to pay that $1,000 quote that he priced me at. So I was really worried, but my car has been there since Tuesday. At the time of this video, it is a Thursday, and I've been without the car for a while. And the reason why is because the part that they need to replace on the car is not in yet. So he's hoping to have it done by Friday afternoon. I was hoping it would be done today, but you know, you can't expect too much when it comes to car repair shops. sometimes they don't hit me with any unexpected stuff because car dealerships love to do that. Oh, did you know that such and such needs to be replaced? No, don't tell me that. So yeah, I'm on my way now, about to drop the Jeep off. And I need to get this thing clean, honestly. The trim, the plastic trim that's around the side, gosh, that needs to be retouched so bad. It's so terribly faded, but I have some stuff that hopefully will fix it. So maybe I'll make a video about that too. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you know, maybe you did, maybe you didn't. It's not the best news in the world, but it could be worse. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to my channel because